Cooking dinner every evening can get tiresome fast, therefore good cookware makes a huge difference. In the kitchen, buy the MUGAA 12.5 Honeycomb Stainless Steel Wok with lid today. It has a heavy-duty stir-fry design for daily use. Besides that, heat spreads evenly across the bottom. You get great food without burnt spots anywhere. Nonstick surface makes washing dishes much easier now. Moreover, this pan is non-toxic and PFOA free. This MUGAA 12.5 Honeycomb Stainless Steel Wok with lid heats up fast. It works smoothly on induction stoves and gas burners alike. The glass lid holds moisture and flavor inside very well. Thus your meat stays tender every single time. Cleaning up after a big meal feels effortless today. Specifically, this item is dishwasher safe and easy to store. You can put it inside the oven safely too. I love my MUGAA 12.5 Honeycomb Stainless Steel Wok with lid. In conclusion, it is a solid upgrade for any home cook. Its durable steel construction lasts for many years of cooking. Pros: high-quality construction, easy to clean, non-toxic and PFOA free, highly versatile for cooking, heats up quickly and evenly, scratch-resistant layer, great size, worth every penny. Induction compatible, oven and dishwasher safe. Cons: food sticks when frying, mixed opinions about the weight features. 12.5-inch honeycomb wok, stainless steel construction, includes matching lid, non-stick interior surface, heavy-duty stir-fry pan, induction-compatible design, even heat distribution. PFOA-free non-toxic cookware, oven-safe design, dishwasher-safe construction. Cooking dinner every evening can get tiresome fast, therefore good cookware makes a huge difference in the kitchen. Buy the MUGAA 12.5 Honeycomb Stainless Steel Wok with lid today. It has a heavy-duty stir-fry design for daily use. Besides that, heat spreads evenly across the bottom. You get great food without burnt spots anywhere. The MUGAA Honeycomb Stainless Steel Wok offers really great high-quality construction. It heats up quickly and evenly while cooking. This wok is highly versatile for many meal types. Plus, it is completely non-toxic and PFOA free. Cleaning this pan is super easy after eating. It features a very durable scratch-resistant layer. The generous size fits big family meals nicely. You get great oven and dishwasher safe versatility. It works perfectly on all induction stovetops too. Users feel it is definitely worth every penny. However, food can stick sometimes when frying items. Some cooks also have mixed opinions about its weight.